Hello everyone, this is 𝐷𝐮𝐞𝐫𝐢 from IELTS Studio, and I have with me Mr. Rashid, and he's going to take his speaking test part 1. So Rashid, are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this very first part of your speaking test, I'm going to ask you some questions on the topic called family first. Okay, so do you have a big family?
Yes, I do have a big family. Traditionally, I come from an extended family, so it's a kind of myriad of uncle, aunts, and cousins. So, fortunately, I belong from an extended family rather than a nuclear family.
Do you often speak to your extended family?
Yes, I try to maintain communication with my family members because it's a must. Because while you are trying to make a proper bonding or a great bonding with your family members, so it's necessary to maintain communication with them. So I try to do that so often, and yes, I do.
How often does your family meet?
Uh, I would say mostly 2 times in a year. So during two big festivals, which is Eid-ul-Adha and Eid-ul-Fitr, and in the next month of Eid-ul-Adha, we are going to meet again. So mostly we try to meet twice a year, but for casual meet or birthday celebrations, we try to meet so often.
Does everyone have the same type of family?
Not necessarily. Some kind of people belongs from a nuclear family or extended family. So it reminds me maintaining a family tree is quite impossible for people. It's kind of hassle, right? So everyone can't maintain family properly, whether it's big or small. And in terms of people, it depends on their situation and their cultural uh, atmosphere. So whether they have a big family or a small family. So it depends actually.
Okay, so let's talk about eating outside.
Okay, sure. Sir.
How often would you say you eat outside?
Usually twice a month. So I try to break my monotony or get rid from my boring routine. So I try to usually enjoy foods outside. So it depends actually on my mood and situation and overall perspective.
What types of restaurants do you like to go to?
I try to find mostly delicious cuisines in my country. So in that case, mostly I try to go in my Deshi cuisine. So, and in terms of sushi or Italian bistro, so I try their foods as well. It actually happens in what actually weather demands and what my mood demands. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Who do you go to restaurants with?
Actually, I try to go with my family member and close acquaintances, mostly my friend and colleagues, and it actually varies time to time. So, like that, after this test, we have a get together with all of our staffs. So it varies.
Okay, thanks for joining the test. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.